A lot of people have been asking questions, with the heavy snow rates we've seen today, are we not going to see any accumulations tonight? Well, really still seeing a dusting just because our temperatures are so marginal. We're at 32 degrees right now, and if you notice, when the snow outside lets up for a little bit, what the dusting we've seen on the ground starts to melt. So that's kind of where we're at going into tonight. Certainly cold, wind chill of 24 right now, and there's a lot of dry air circling in. There's the measly low pressure back over towards Salina and Manhattan. So still some scattered snow showers here for the next several hours, but not widespread, heavy, big accumulating snow for us, which is why I think we should be good to go here through the evening, other than a few slick overpasses. Borderline around 32 for the metro. Here's some pockets, though. Again, these quick, heavy bursts. We're seeing north of Lewisburg there on 69 Highway, Belton towards Grandview, Lee's Summit, also Overland Park, Shawnee, up into western Wyandotte County. Seeing some of these darker blues is where the heavier snow is falling. Leavenworth about to see a burst as well, and then some light snow activity moving up towards Liberty. So through tonight, our snow chances remain decently high through about midnight. So through this evening, we'll continue to see flakes fall. After midnight, a lot of it starts to taper off. And I do think by the time most of us wake up tomorrow morning, any snow should be done falling for the morning time. And so tonight we'll get maybe a dusting for most of the metro. Again, grassy elevated surfaces, a touch more, maybe slightly higher amounts from Lawrence and Ottawa back towards the west, but not a big impactful snow system for us here tonight. Tomorrow, maybe a few novelty flakes or flurries in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy for your Saturday, a touch milder. Still colder than normal, though, at a high of 36 degrees for your Saturday afternoon. So just a cold and cloudy weekend. Here's the afternoon and evening flurries. By 6 o'clock tomorrow, wouldn't be surprised to see one or two stray flakes, but no accumulations with that. And again, because we get above freezing tomorrow, any dusting we do get tonight should be melting. Actually, a few peaks of sunshine possible on Sunday, and that'll get us to near 40 degrees before our next system moves in, and that arrives on Monday morning as rain transitioning to snow. So a few flurries tomorrow. Sunday's dry with even peaks of sun. Monday's that wintry mix changing to all snow for Tuesday. And this is going to be our next big change in our next big system for early next week. Right now, it's still over 2,000 miles away up in the northern Pacific Ocean. It's about to move on shore in the Pacific Northwest. And actually, this afternoon, the hurricane hunters have been out flying through this storm to get us some better data to add some clarity to our forecast as we get closer to an impactful storm for much of the Midwest, South, and Eastern U.S. So I'll walk you through the forecast. Here's our latest microcast showing rain starting Monday morning. Now, the big question with this system early next week is how quickly do we change from rain to snow? It's probably going to happen at some point Monday afternoon into Monday evening. The earlier that changeover happens, the more likely we see higher snowfall totals. The longer the rain sticks around, the less snow we're expected to see. Right now, this track kind of puts it right up I-44, which is kind of close to a pretty good snow event for us for parts of central Missouri. So we're keeping an eye on this. The wind's also strong, blowing snow could be possible Monday night into Tuesday, and then all that ends by Tuesday around lunchtime. So more than 24 hours of snow falling means we could get several inches. Here's kind of our first preview of the most likely scenario for the Kansas City Metro. Probably in the 2 to 5 range for mainly Monday into Tuesday, Monday afternoon. At most, on the high side, we could see some spots a little more than that, and I think everyone gets at least 1 inch. That's going to be pretty easy to do. So it's really that change over time from when we change from rain to snow on Monday that'll determine how many inches we see accumulate early next week. Regardless, it looks to be plowable. Anything more than 2 inches, we'll have to use the snow plows. And I think we could see road impacts for certain by the Monday evening commute heading into the Tuesday morning commute. So that's going to be a bigger storm we'll watch. Thankfully tonight, not a big issue with the flurries just leading to a dusting.